Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to create this makeup look, and also we are going to create one of the Korean web series actress outfit, which the web series name is Hometown Cha Cha Cha. If you have watched, I know it's most loved Korean web series. If you are interested in these kind of videos, keep on watching. So without any further delay, let's get started. I've already done my skincare, so let's start with makeup. I have this sample from Estee Lauder. This is foundation, double wear foundation, available in 50 shades, and I have got these 3 shades. I don't know which one to use because I've never used Estee Lauder's makeup. I don't know which one to use. Let's start with this first one only. I'm going to take this. I am using this foundation because I wanted to try, so that if it suits my skin I can buy. Let's get my hair away from my face. Now we are all set to start makeup. After a long time I'm shooting this like full face makeup. Let's apply primer and then start with our makeup. I only apply here. I'll keep all the links or the names of the products in the description box down below. Primer is done. Let's apply stroke cream. Look at that glow. I'll be moving to foundation. I think it's a bit light for me. Let me blend it properly, then I can understand whether it is suitable, because few foundations will get oxidized and it looks good after like 2-3 minutes. I think this side looks fine, even it is not exactly matching my skin tone, but I think it's looking fine, and it's not high coverage, you can see here. So yeah, let's see. Let's trust the process of this makeup. In camera it's looking more, light shade compared to my skin, but off camera it's not that shade difference, but let's work with it. My base makeup is done. Now you can see it's kind of matching. I think after I set my whole makeup it is fine. This is good. Let's move on to our concealer. Let's set my face once. I have a tip here. If you are setting your face with setting spray, your makeup looks fresh. So now today we are doing a full coverage makeup. So I'll have to cover all the imperfections like dark spots, under eye. I don't have dark under eye, but from past 2-3 days I'm watching web series, like binge watching. So I will have to blend this. I know. Why do we open our mouth while applying mascara or while doing eye makeup most of the times? I'm not sure why, but we do. So yeah, this guys, I have already posted my monthly favorites. If you have not watched, go watch that. So in that video also I've told about this concealer. This concealer is godly. It's too good even without foundation. Concealer is done. See how good the base is looking. Let's move on to our eye makeup, where I'm keeping it subtle. I'm using this eyeshadow palette. I'll first apply this shade and then top it with this pink. I'm using the same brush. So it's done, you can see. So I'm going to take that pink shade, look how pink it is, and to make it long lasting and make one swipe bright eyeshadow, you'll have to apply setting spray, and you can see the difference. See, in one swipe you can see the tint. It looks natural and it gives that shine to your eyelids. I don't know whether the camera is picking this up, but it is looking amazing. Let's apply mascara. I'll just put one layer, that should do. We don't need that much drama. Let's move on to our blush. I'll be using this lipstick. See how cute. I'll be using this lipstick as my blush because recently for one of the videos I applied this lipstick and I didn't have time, so I just applied this only as my blush, and it gave me such nice color. As it is matte, we'll have to blend it as quickly as possible. Okay, so initially it looks red. I mean, obviously the color is burgundy, but wait till we blend completely. I know, trust the process. So with this you will have to use the setting spray, but you will have to be quick in while doing this. Instead of 2 dots, I had applied 3 dots. That's the thing. We are going to apply one layer of foundation on top, and more blush is also fine. So it's looking good. So once I set my makeup, it all comes together, and then our next step is highlighter. Before applying, I'm going to spray setting spray and take the product. Look at that. This is the highlight we were looking for. I'm going to take the product. So these are tips, okay, to make your highlighter highlight. So take this and spray and then apply. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, this is how my makeup looks right now. I'll just apply setting spray. Our makeup is done. I love the makeup, and let's move on to our dress. If you have watched Hometown Cha-Cha, I love that web series a lot. I might have watched it 3 times already by now. So there I liked most of her costumes, but one thing which is casual and which we can also wear it to office and which caught my eyes was this pink one. Pink shirt, and she was wearing pink shirt, striped shirt and white cotton pants. So I don't have cotton pants either. I'll have to work with denims or proper formals. It's cotton blend, I can say. So let's see, she's wearing brown belt with that outfit, but I'm going to skip that part because you will get to know why I'll be skipping that. If I'm wearing denims, then fine, but if I'm wearing that formal pant, it's cinched and we don't have space to wear belt. So in that case, I'll be skipping the belt. Let's see which looks good and then style it. I feel really bad about this makeup because I'm not going anywhere. I'll have to remove this after this video. This is the shirt I was talking about, and in that she was wearing thin striped ones, and I couldn't find anything apart from this particular shirt. So let's wear this. I'll just wear this and come, let's decide which pant to wear. Let's fold our sleeves. I mean, that's the task with my long nails. So let's try to do that. Is it even? I think so, it's even. So without wasting any time, let's go get my pants. See, I have two denim option. One is this trouser, see this pinched one, and another one is this denim pants. So this denim pants doesn't look that baggy, and also I'll have to find belt if I'm wearing this. I'm going to take this pant as my decision so that I can even skip a belt. It doesn't always have to be exactly that, but it's okay if it is similar to what she is wearing. Of course, we are not using the same brand, so it should be fine. So let's wear this. And one more thing, for accessories, she was wearing silver watch. I have one, so let me wear that. And yeah. And for earrings, she was wearing pearl white pearl studded earrings. I have these. I think this is perfect match with that. This is gold, but you can pair anything because I don't have anything chunky in this, so I'll be wearing this. You know, for her I think it was silver pearl, but I couldn't find one. So yeah. See, this is perfect match with hers. Let's brush my hair. I've brushed my hair and let's apply some perfume. So we are all set and our outfit is also ready. Yeah, if you know, as I'm wearing mostly white and silvers, if I wear bag, I'll match my slippers with my bag, or else I go with white pumps. But in that web series she was wearing white, brown belt, brown bag and brown slippers, so I'll be skipping belt obviously, so I could only match my slippers with my outfit or with my bag. So I either choose white pumps or pink pumps. I think if I wear pink pumps, then it will create a sandwich outfit. You can also wear that, or else you can wear white pump heels so that it which matches your whole vibe. I mean, full. And if you are carrying brown bag, you can also wear brown slippers. So it depends on you. Brings us to an end of the video. I hope you liked this video, my makeup and my outfit, everything. I know you loved everything. If so, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things that you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.